Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to iDrive cloud storage on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar, type the iDrive website URL and hit enter. Once the iDrive homepage loads, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will see different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click the Sign Up button associated with it. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Once you have filled in all necessary fields, click on the Create Account button. You may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from iDrive. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the iDrive website and log in with your new credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Download section. Download the iDrive application for Windows. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install iDrive on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch the iDrive application. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, configure your backup settings according to your needs. Select the files and folders you want to back up to the cloud. Confirm your selection and start the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. You can access your files anytime through the application or website. Explore additional features like file sharing and versioning as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.